Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? Please stay at home. I know we are all going from a very severe condition because of COVID-19, but inshallah soon we will overcome it. Okay, so don't take tension, just stay at home. Okay, now come to the lecture. The code of today's lecture is 16.30. Is 16.30, okay, and the subject which I am going to teach you is mathematics of class 5, and the topic of today's class is perimeter and area. First of all, we see all the terms and concepts about perimeters. Okay, perimeters, first we look at the definition of perimeters. Perimeter is the path surrounding the area of a closed region. It is the sum of all sides of a two-dimensional shape. Here we have two terms which we must know about the perimeter. The first one is closed region and the second one is two-dimensional shapes. First of all, we have discussed the closed shapes. Basically, closed shapes are those which have the same ending point and starting point. And here we have the example of closed shape, a square, right? And other examples of closed shapes are circle, rectangle, pentagon, and triangle also. Okay, and the second term is two-dimensional shapes. The shapes which have length and width but no depth are called two-dimensional shapes. Okay, now it means perimeter की जब हम बात करेंगे तो हमारे पास एक क्लोज शेप है, टू डायमेंशनल होनी चाहिए, ठीक है, और उसका वो पाथ जो उस क्लोज्ड एरिया को सराउंड कर रहा है, ये वाला, ठीक है, दिस वे, ये जो है ये हमारा पेरीमीटर है, इसको हमने कैलकुलेट करना है. Okay, now first we have two shapes. First one is rectangle and the second one is a square. How to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle and square? We have two formulas. The first one is 2 into L plus B. Here L stands for length and B stands for breadth. Also here L stands for this side lengths of a square. Okay, first we consider the shape A and and solve it. Okay, so the shape A is our rectangle. So we have a solution. First we put the formula of a rectangle. How to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle? It's 2 into L plus B. Okay. Then according to the shapes, the values which we are given in the shapes, just put on the in the formula and just calculate. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay. And then just simply multiply it. 2 plus 7 is 14 centimeter. Hit the point by which we must learn and understand that when we write the answer, here we must write the unit. Okay, here the length and breadth is the unit of length and breadth is centimeter. Therefore, we write centimeter with answer. Okay, in the similar manner, we solve this shape B, which is a square. Square because we know all the sides of a square are equal, and here we have the length of one side which is 30 centimeter. Okay, so 30 centimeter it is. So just add it for 4 times. Okay, अगर हम इसको 4 टाइम ऐड कर लेंगे तो जस्ट हमारे पास एक स्क्वायर का आराम से पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट हो जाएगा. जस्ट हमने लिखा 30 सेंटीमीटर 4 टाइम्स और जस्ट उसको हमने ऐड कर दिया और वही अगेन पॉइंट दैट सेंटीमीटर मस्ट बी राइट. ओके, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, आवर थर्ड शेप इज आ कंपोजिट शेप. कंपोजिट शेप में इन कंपोजिट शेप्स वी हैव अ कंपाउंड ए कंपोजिशन ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट शेप्स. लाइक एक हमारे पास रेक्टेंगल भी होती है और स्क्वायर भी होता है. इस तरह से जैसे अगर फर्स्ट लेट्स सपोज अगर हम इस शेप को इस तरह से ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, then we have two shapes. The first one is rectangle and the second one is square. So this is called the the composite shapes. Okay, how to calculate the perimeter of a composite shape? The formula, the pattern, the concept of this is just sum of all outer sides of a shape. We just need to calculate the sum of all outer sides length. Okay, this one. Here we have all the lengths, but this length is unknown. This length is unknown, therefore we find it here, look at here, this is 4 centimeter and this is also 4 centimeter. So it's understood that this is also 4 centimeter. So we now know the value of unknown, which is 4 centimeter. So just put the values here and just solve it. And again 4 centimeter because its unit is centimeter. So put here centimeter. Okay. Allah Hafiz.